Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make your own mayonnaise at home. It's a simple, delicious, and versatile condiment that you can make in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, gather your ingredients.
Best tasting mayonnaise in your very own kitchen. Grab your blender, and into that we're going to crack in 2 eggs. You can use 1 egg, but I decided to use 2 eggs. So follow my measurements accordingly and you're going to get the exact result. I go in with 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I add in 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You can alternate that with some vinegar. I also went in with 1 cup of vegetable oil. Now we're going to proceed to blending this. Of course, you already know I'm using my Butchie Mix power blender, and I'm going to blend this for about 40 seconds. You will start to see this mixture begin to change and then thicken up. Once it thickens to your liking, you're just going to turn off your blender, and there you have it. Really easy, really simple, straightforward, and the best mayonnaise ever. You can use this for your salads, for your sandwiches, whatever it is that you want to use it for. Simply store this in an airtight container and keep in your refrigerator, and this can last you up to a month or even up to 2 months. Now look at the consistency of my mayonnaise. It's so creamy, it is so good. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking! Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own mayonnaise.